display. Okay, and the next one is to display the product, not only the image, the 3D viewer, and the video. We also have some basic info, of course, and such as the product information. And you will see that you could there will be some product information here, and this information will be maintained in your Coohom backend. And this is not only these information, and you could add what you want to say about this product in this details page, and the consumers will directly see this info when they browse the product. Yes. And the next one is the product interaction. And you will see that if you have this requirements, you could, of course, you could just let the consumers to add this product to cart, and the product will be in this cart. And this page is our demo page. It is a demo page of to fake the enterprise own official website. And so you could say that if you're using the virtual showroom, you could integrate this virtual showroom in your official website, and to have the connection of and do some integration and connection between the virtual showroom cart and your own shopping cart, and after do this connection, when the consumer adds something in the cart, you will see that the products will appear in your own official website enterprise shopping cart. And if you have the payment system in your official website, the customers will directly be able to check out and pay the products in your official website, and all the money will be yours, of course. And we will, yes, this is the second one is to some product virtual showroom product interaction. And there are also some things that I didn't say, and these are all very advanced version features, such as add to wish list but not cart, and some product tag. You could also find out this in the future on your own. And the next one is another function is about the rating function, and it's also in our virtual showroom advanced version. And it will be that let the customers to say about how do they like this product, and how do they think about this product, and they could leave some comments here about these products, and other like consumers could also see the rates and see the comments of the products. Yes, and you could also hide them if you don't want other customers to see. And also we have the order place, and this is also in our advanced version of the virtual showroom. And like we could we support to export the order, and to connection our order submission info with your own ERP system or some system, and whatever. And because we will provide some open API for you to use, and you could choose the API you want and choose the info you want to collect, and we could send this info to your own system, and you could also manage this product order info in your own system. Yes, this is the virtual showroom part, the first part of the experience and the interactions in this virtual showroom. And the next one is the customization and it will include actually not only the URL, the brand logo, the watermark, the slogan, and the loading page background. It could all be customized, but also the most importantly is the showroom itself. It could be customized, and I will show you how to customize it later. And the third one is the data tracking and tracking. Sorry, and is this function will be also in the advanced version, and it will include some data that we have monitored. And if you would like to have this data, you could say this data and about the how many visits and products clicks exposure and also the rating data. We will have a board for you to check this data, and you could use this data to do whatever you want, such as to emphasize the more exposed products, or to improve the thing, whatever you would like to do. Yes. And so this is some things that we will provide to you, and you could believe this product could provide. And the first one is we will provide this faithful online and offline experience for the consumers, and also because the virtual showroom is not the only products in Coohom. So we also have a very specific model building service and design tools for you to use. And we also have some data analytics and data display for you. And also I just said that we could synchronize your info with your own ERP or CRM system, and to make your own business grow. Yes, this is the first part. And yes, this is actually also some comparison of between the virtual showroom of Coohom and other traditional virtual showroom, and I will jump this part. But and also, if you don't want to design the virtual showroom yourself, we will also provide some virtual showroom design service, and this could be negotiated with ourselves. And also, yes, this is also the virtual showroom design, and you could use our design service if you don't have any designers, and our designer service will be more familiar with our own tool and be more like have a quick speed to generate the rooms that we would like. Yes, and also we have some success stories here that actually we have a top 5 furniture brand in the US market who use this virtual showroom to display their products offline, and right now they are still our customers and has been used for a long time, and they feel very very useful about this product. And there's something that I missed in this slide, and I would like to say that we face the virtual showroom products. We face 2 scenarios. The first is a B2B scenario, and the second one is B2C scenario. And the main for the B2B scenario, you will say that we will have some more features that would be focused on the B2B scenario, such as add to a wish list and see some comments, and this would be more B2B scenario. And for the B2C scenario, we will focus more on the add to cart function, and you could connect the cart to your own enterprise shopping cart, and we also could integrate this B2C version virtual showroom into your own Shopify website. And you could say that this is our demo Shopify website we build in Shopify. And if you want to also build your own Shopify website, you could use our virtual showroom to just integrate this showroom into your Shopify website and attract your consumers to directly buy products in the Shopify. And this will be more easily for you to spread this link away. And we could connect the Shopify shopping cart with our own showroom shopping cart, and the consumers could directly check out in Shopify, and you could track the orders in Shopify backend. And this is also possible. I just want to mention. Yes. And if you are okay with the conceptual ideas of the virtual showroom, I will jump to the Coohom backend and to show the process to generate a virtual showroom in our Coohom backend. It's I would not say that's really easy, but it's not that difficult also. So I will share this process with you. Okay. There is someone who has opened their mic. Hello, and could you please mute the hello 3? Thanks, thank you. And I will start the process of explain how to generate a virtual showroom in our Coohom backend. And I'm not sure if the attendants here today are all familiar with our Coohom backend or not, but I will spend a little time to explain. And if someone is not very familiar with the backend, you could feel free to ask me, and I will try to answer. And I will start from the virtual showroom, how the virtual showroom will be like, and try to let you understand how it will be made. And in a virtual showroom, actually, you could say that a virtual showroom is actually composed by two factors. The first factor is the whole thing, the room, actually, the room thing, and how it will be like. And the second thing is the products in it, and the products in it will include what I just saw, what I just say, that the photo studio, the video studio, and the 3D viewer in it. So we will divide these two parts, and to let you understand how a virtual showroom has been made. So the first process is that you will have you will need to have your own models in our Coohom backend, and you could if you don't have, you could ask our Coohom model building team to provide the service to build the models. And if you do have, sorry, the internet of mine is not that good, and I will try to open it again. Yes. Okay, it's okay now. And actually, you could directly upload models in our Coohom backend enterprise catalog, and by some already built formats such as 3D Max. And once you have uploaded a model, a model will be in the enterprise catalog. And if you want the products in your virtual showroom to display not only like this, but also have the 3D viewer or the photo studio or the video studio to show, you will need to enter a product detail page and generate some photo studio or video studio for them, and also generate a 3D viewer for them. And then this 3D viewer and the photo studio, video studio will be in the virtual showroom to display. Otherwise, it will be only a product like this, and there will be no info in this detail page. Yes, and so this is the model part, and you will need to upload your models and generate the 3D viewer and generate the photo studio or video studio based on your requirements. If you don't want to generate, it's okay, you don't have to. And if you want to generate photo studio or video studio here, we will have a feature called photo studio here, and you could directly generate the photo studios here, like your according to your requirements. And we provide many things in backend to generate, and you could generate according to your requirements. Sorry, my internet is not that good. Yes, and this is the first step, is to upload your models and generate the photo studio or video studio and the 3D viewer. And these are all the other features in our Coohom backend. Yeah, this one and this one. And yeah, this is the first part about models. Now you have models actually in your own Coohom platform. And the next step is to create the project. What we call project actually is the design project in this virtual showroom. It's the basement of this virtual showroom. And when you design a project, you could enter the Coohom backend projects, my projects part, and directly enter new project and to draw some project in your own Coohom backend. I will enter a already drawn project for you to share. And this will use our Coohom core feature, the design tool. And if you have designers inside your team, you could let your designers to draw these projects. And if you don't have, you could, I just like what I have said, you could using our showroom building service and to build the showrooms, and we will offer this showroom building services to you, and you could directly give this work to us, and we could build this for you. Sorry, the internet of mine is not that good. And whatever. And this is our Coohom project drawing tool service, and I will not make some more detail to speak about more details about this tool using, because it has really many features, and it could allow you to draw whatever you want. And I will just show you this tool and let you know that if you want a showroom to be generated, the scene will based on this design tool and based on the project that you draw. Yes, and in this project, you will need to enter the enterprise catalog and to drag the products that you have already generate the photo studio, video studio, or 3D viewer into this tool, and now this models will be connected to this things, and it will be shown also in the showroom also. And after you have draw the projects, you will need to render some panorama of this room, because you will see that in our Coohom virtual showroom, the virtual showroom are all based on the panoramas. So you will need to render some panoramas and to say how you will like the showroom will be like, and you could directly render how you could directly decide how the renderings will be like, and this will be definitely the same image you will see in this virtual showroom. So you will need to render different panoramas in this project, and how many rooms you would like to the consumers could jump to and could say. You will need to render how many panoramas in the design tool. Yes, and of course, if you have bought our showroom building service, it will not waste your time to draw and to render. It will be all our work. Okay, and once you have rendered some panoramas, you will see that they will have many panoramas here. And the next step is to actually generate we called it a 720 tool in this project. And this tool is actually to connect the different panoramas together and to make it like a thing that for the consumers to jump from this panorama to that panorama and then to another panorama, and you could choose how many panoramas you will use in this we call the 720 tool. And actually this panoramas you choose here will be the final result that the consumer will see in this virtual showroom. And once you have generated this virtual showroom, you could enter the virtual showroom area, and this will be the last step to create a new showroom. And you could say that it will offer you the projects that has already been generated, the 720 tool, and you could directly choose a project and sorry, this is not being generated, and I will generate one. Okay, and this one I just copy from the existing project, and this one will have the rendered image and the 720 tool in this room. Yeah, you will see that the 720 tool has already been generated, and you could use this 720 tool to generate a virtual showroom. So the generation of the virtual showroom, the final step is really easy. You just choose a virtual showroom and confirm. And now this showroom has been generated 0 minutes ago. This is this showroom, and you could directly see the final result about this showroom, and you could directly share the link to your customers, and all the products in the showroom will be show and your customers could jump to different showrooms and to check the final result of the room, whatever they like. And after this one, if you you could it's based on your requirements, you want to integrate this room in your official website or in your Shopify website or in your social media. That will based on your requirements. And yes, this is the whole process to generate a virtual showroom. And yes, and I think from my side, and I'm okay with today's training, and I'm not sure if you have some more questions about the operations or the product values or the product service. I'm not sure if you have more questions to ask. If you don't have, and yes, and if anyone have some questions. Yes, and also our team member has sent a message in the chat group. She said that if you have any questions, please ask. And if you have some feedbacks for the products or for the training, you could raise it later. And when you use this product, and you could ask our CSC or sales members to open a trial feature to you, and you could try to generate a showroom yourself. And feel free to leave the feedback to us. And if you have more requirements on this virtual showroom, like such as you want another new feature, you could also tell us, and we will evaluate it and to see how to realize and how to develop and anything. Yes. I saw that there is someone who just opened his mic. Do you have a question or something else? Okay. Selena, do you have some questions to or something to say?
I think at the moment I don't have any question yet. I will come back with my customer and ask them, and then we'll come back to you later.
Okay, that's good. And if you have some questions, you could ask the sales staff or Selena in this chat group, and or some questions or requirements, please feel free to ask us, and we will try to give you answers. And yes, that's all from my side. And if you don't have other things to ask, I will stop my sharing.